Hi guys, so this is the new Samsung WW80 WW80T504 504DAE S7 machine, which has Wi-Fi AI control, meaning that the machine learns how often you wash your clothes. Has a drum clean option, which means that it notifies you when your drum is not clean and you need to clean it, and also it's smell free, let's say so. It has a capacity of 8 kilograms, which means that can wash my clothes up to 4 people, so it quite for a whole family, right? And has a 1400 RPM rotations for drying your clothes. Has a steam fresh option, which means that it steams up your clothes while being washed, and that destroys 99% of the bacteria. And yeah, it has class B energy consumption, which is quite okay. So I think it's time to unwrap it, unbox it. It also has a really nice design, let's say so. In the back of the washing machine, you're going to have some screws which have to be removed. They have to be removed. So we have here a piece of wood. I'm going to take this out slowly. Okay, looks good. Looks really nice. Has a really nice design, as you can see here. The box for putting washing solutions. Really nice design. Okay, so what you guys need to see right now. Yeah, let's open this up. Let's open this also a bit. Nice. So here we have the book with instructions. Actually, it says here it's a class B, and it has like 55 kilowatts consumption, I think, per 100 hours. Yeah, something like that. No, it's actually 55 kilowatts consumption per 100 washes, or something like that. It has like 22 programs for usage. 72 decibels while the drum is being rolled at 1400 rotations, which is quite a lot, but yeah, when you're spinning it at that speed, it should be a bit loud. Okay. So that's the book for usage. Here we have the 2 cables, which have to be connected. One has to be connected, let's say, if you can see it here, one has to be connected into the tap so that you can get the water into the machine, and one has to be for evacuation of the dirty water. Okay. So we're gonna open that up. Okay, and this cable has a very specific usage. This has to be, some people just put it on the other side, but this has to go onto the tap like this, and this has to go onto the back. But we will put that together. Okay, this is for just helping for the cable to be adjusted more easily. This is for to put in place of the screws which we'll take out from the back. If the screws are bent, then it means that the drum is affected from transportation. Okay, that's pretty much it. Wow, that drum is so big. It's huge. It's a huge drum. Okay, we're gonna close that. Nice. That's really smooth. Really smooth closing. Okay. We are gonna roll this in such a way. Let me see if you can see the camera. Okay, perfect. So we can roll this in such a way. You can take it down. Okay. This is a good connection. Okay, and this back. Actually, it's going to go. Okay, and we have a key here, which we will use in order to open. Okay. Coming out, and this looks quite okay, so it's not bent, which means that the drum is still in place. This one also looks okay, so we're good to go. Okay. And then what else? This is a filter here that we have. Okay. So the next thing is to connect this cable into the back of the machine, which is here. And you don't need to use any kind of screws. It should fit in without any problems. Yeah, and push that inside there. That's it. And then we have this screw. Okay, it's a bit tight. It's kind of short, but okay, that's coming onto it really nice now. Okay. Okay, that's the last stroke. Okay. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's pretty much it. And then I just have to clean all this mess up and place the machine to its rightful place. You can do the setup now. From here we're gonna have English, empty drum before calibrating, how to start calibration, tap 0 to skip, welcome. Okay, cotton, linen, 15 minutes, quick wash, intense cold, synthetics, delicates, towels, satinized beddings, light duvet. So this is for 40 degrees, okay. Strange towels, 60, shirts, hygiene steam, okay, that's something that I like. Wool, outdoors, colors, denim, nice denim's 30, baby care, silent wash, mixed load, cloudy day, rinse and spin, drain, spin. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to anyone who would like to install a Samsung washing machine. See you on the next videos.